Are you worried about what to eat during a crisis? Stay tuned as we reveal the superfoods that could save your life. Knowing which foods to eat can indeed save your life. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the top 5 superfoods that could make all the difference. First on our list is chia seeds, tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Next, we have quinoa, a complete protein, rich in amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. Moving on to kale, a leafy green superfood that is loaded with antioxidants and essential vitamins. Don't forget about blueberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients. And last but not least, we have salmon, a great source of protein, omega-3s, and vitamin D. These 5 superfoods can help strengthen your immune system and promote overall good health. Remember, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet. To learn more about these superfoods, click the link in the description below. By clicking the link, you'll be redirected to where you can discover detailed information and recipes. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips, recipes, and informative videos like this one. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends and family. Together, let's spread the word about the power of superfoods and how they can save lives. Thank you for watching, and remember, knowledge is power. Make it part of your everyday life.